got there?
Oh, I got an idea.
Oh.
You can have a Easter. Happy Easter. My hair's so long. My hair's so soft. Ow! My hair! Ow! Sorry. Happy Easter. Today's Easter and I changed my Pepsi. I want to go downstairs now. Yeah, see the Easter bunny. So not the Easter bunny. I want to go downstairs to see the prize. See the prize. Yeah. See you later. We'll see you later. Bye. Ethan. Did you pick some eggs, Mama, outside?
I don't think there's an egg outside because it wasn't nice weather yesterday. Maybe that's why it's just there. Let me see what you got there.
Oh, I got an idea.
Oh.
You can have a Easter egg hunt inside, but you can we have our breakfast. Me and you go to me and Lisa go to the
I
cupboard.
got this one from work yesterday. Ito mga kachika, bigay ito sa anak ng resident namin.
Lisa
Ayan.
go to the cupboard.
Look at this one.
You can have that one.
Look at
Then, dalawa yung binigay niya. Ito, hindi yan. Ito pala. Yung binigay niya kasi alam niya na may dalawa akong anak. Tapos
Can
binigay
you pick
niya
some
yun.
eggs?
Oo.
Oh, I already love this.
Me and
Then-
Lisa hide in the cupboard.
This
And
one,
then
okay, wait lang. This one bigay din ng anak ng resident namin. Ang anak nila na pa, your passion in care makes such a huge difference.
bye. And then me and Lisa hide in the
Lahat na
cupboard.
kami mga, okay, limited grammar.
there's
Lahat
the
kami
name.
binigyan, marami itong binigay
They
talaga.
write it.
Isa para sa
What they
amin.
say?
Tapos, ayan, may mga sulat-sulat. Bawat isa, may mga sulat-sulat. Iba-iba yung sulat nila. Ganyan.
I'm gonna open it.
Yeah, you open it.
Okay, I want to see what's inside.
So I was saying, me and Lisa hide in the cupboards. You and Daddy can hide the eggs in the living room and the kitchen.
Okay, later. Stop mo. Wait, I keep moving and then you keep moving as well.
I can't help. I just want to
And then he
this.
says, "Are we done now?" But me and Lisa can find the eggs and put in the basket.
What is, it's not bastic. I said already.
Oh, was it?
How you pronounce it?
I'll try.
It's not bastic pronunciation, Lina.
Let me try. I'll try.
Aga natulog. Ako late na ako natulog kapag gabi kasi may pasok ako kahapon. Hindi pala ako. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon na kachika pero pumasok ako kahapon ng
Happy Easter, Mom.
Happy Easter. Kahapon panghapon ako. Tapos pagdating ko doon, yung nagbigay ng yung dalawang chocolate sa akin ay yung siya din yung noong December siya din yung namigay sa amin ng mga pabango, ganon.
Okay, help.
And then yung isa naman, bago lang yan ang residence namin. Siguro mga magtutukan pa lang yan siya dyan sa amin. Naka-stay. Bless you.
That's what I have.
Magtutukan pa lang yan siya dyan sa amin. Yung nagbigay ng isang egg.
Okay.
Agad mo yun. Ay,
Thank you, Lisa, buddy.
we say thank you. You can say thank you. to you.
Thank you.
I cannot hear you. You cannot say anything. That's my favorite too.
I don't know. Well, me and Alyssa got that yesterday.
You have this one?
Hmm?
I don't think so.
Yeah. So slow now. It's so quiet.
It's very quiet lang kasi kay mga shops close. I think Primark. Magdakal lang kayo mapunta ng Primark. Pupunta sana kami ng beach kaso umulan man, ang lamig. Basa. Dahil has been raining. I think Primark is closed as well.
Okay, go to the beach now.
Very windy. It's really nice. Oh.
Let's go.
Okay, we have to put this in the binbee. You see a binbee around?
There's a bit over there.
Ay, gustong gusto talaga nila magpunta kami ng beach na ang lamig-lamig. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go that way now and then we're gonna ask Daddy to pick up us.
Yeah.
And then it won't be that, we're not going to stay long here, yeah?
Can we go to the sea?
I'm freezing.
I'm not freezing.
Freezing cold.
That's where the steps thing.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my goodness, we're not gonna stay. Impossible, we're gonna go to the beach with this cold.
No. We're gonna go.
Impossible. Yeah, a lot. See, so many they're running around. See, look at that. The sea is rough. There's no kids swimming. See that, Lisa?
Huh?
No people go for a swim or play. We're gonna have a look because Daddy gonna pick up us from there.
Okay.
See, did you see that? No kids having swim. Parang may ano yan dyan. Bakit parang panong ganap niyan dyan ngayon? Bakit ang daming tao dyan sa may seaside? Parang may ano dito, may mask. Let's go, Dabi. Mangyusyoso lang kami dito. It's wet. See?
Space, here we go. There.
Don't wipe it up in your hands. Gusto nila, tingnan nyo, ang daming mga aso nagtakbo-takbo. Nakakatakot. Oh, she got there already.
Can I take off this?
Cold.
Okay.
It's cold. Keep it on lang. Keeps you warm. It's very cold.
Can I go, Lisa? Okay.
Yeah, there's, sabi ni Alina, may there are people getting baptized.
That happened in Jesus' story. So there's people getting ages ago. So people getting baptized. Get baptized.
May isa!
Done. So I'm so sorry about big sister. But she so much.
Chika, tapos na ako nag-ano doon kasi bukas yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga lagayan ng mga laruan ng mga bata, idadalhin yan bukas ni Mr. kasi nagpabook na yun siya para, alam mo yun nung itapon ba dito sa council. Hindi ko lang magbabayad yata kami yan pero bukas yung schedule. So kaya niready ko na, ilalagay ko na lang yung iba sa bag para bukas ready na lang bitbitin ni Mr. So magbalat ako nito. First time ko magbalat ng mangga mga kachi, ng pin. First time ko magbalat ng pin niya. Pinagbabalat talaga dito si Mr. talaga nung. Kaso parang sira man to eh. Balatan ko siya kasi gagawa ako ng pizza, ng Hawaiian pizza ba. Kaso kailangan wala kaming sira talaga. Wala kami yung inkan na ginagamit ko pag pag gawa ng pizza. Kasi sabi ni Mr. Fresh daw yung ko, gamitin ko. Wala lang si Mr. Kaya ako yung magbabalat. Hindi ako sure kung tama yung pagkabalat ko. Sira pa. Wala pang lasa. Hindi pa matamis. Parang naahat man to. Kasi kailangan mawala yung mata, di ba? Pag magbalat ka ng pinya, walang mata. Matanggal kasi. Pag hindi matanggal yung mata, makati. Kasi na, sira man tayo. Nagprito din ako ng chicken. Fried chicken para kalisa kasi pag nagluluto kami ng pizza, hindi siya kumakain ng pizza namin. Kumakain ng pizza pag sa Domino's. Yung binibili ba? Malalaman natin pag pag masarap na yung pinya, pag siya alam mo yun, pag binubuksan mo siya, matamis. Ayun na, mabango. Ganun malaman daw yung, kasi kay sira, mga ganito. Ganito. Wala talaga siyang amoy mga kasita. Mereka. Tignan natin. Masarap pala. Hindi lang siya mabango pero matamis. Sinusundi kasi yan sa kumakain ng Hawaiian na pizza. So sabi niya pag fresh daw na pineapple yung isahayag namin, kakain daw siya. Matamis pala. Hindi lang siya mabango, pero matamis siya. Masarap yata ito sa tahin. Kasi yung tahin ko nasa work, dinala ko kahapon kasi nagdala ako ng melon. Nandun pa nga yung melon sa fridge. Hindi namin naubos kasi si ate yung kasama ko, Pinay, tumikim lang siya. Yung isa naman yung kasama ay British. Hindi din siya kumakain ng asin. Mano daw kasi masama din yung kanya. That's good. Matamis pala. Kala ko masasayang lang. Ito naman yung nahiwa ko lahat. Ay, tanim ko to. Kasi pwede mo daw itanim. Pero may pineapple na tayo next time. Finish?
Yeah.
May sumabit pa. Okay. Wash your hands, please. I'm gonna plant this one.
It's very, very hot. No, I'll do it. Don't take more beef.
Kapag magluto kami ng pizza, ang kalat ng oven sa dito ba? Binabacuum ko na lang. Batong namin dito, and then lalagyan siya ng sauce. Hindi liman. Ganda.
I want to spread it, not just in one place.
There you go. No hot fish.
Then ham.